How to add Moneypak to Cash app. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can add Moneypak to the Cash app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Cash app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on your profile icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Then you have to tap on linked bank accounts. Over here, you have to tap on link bank. After that, you have to search for Moneypak and then tap on it. Then it will ask you to enter the credentials for Moneypak and then it will be added. So that's how you can add Moneypak to the Cash app. That's all for this video.